Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete friends on Facebook. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, if you no longer want to be friend with someone and stop seeing their post, or for whatever reason, you can easily go and unfriend them. Alright, first of all, just go to your friends list by clicking onto the menu button on the bottom left corner. After that, just scroll down a little bit and click onto friends. Here you can see friends request. You can just go to the top and click onto your friends, and you can see your friends. Right now, all you need to do is to click onto the three dots over the right of the name of the person you want to unfriend, and just click onto unfriend. Or you can go to their profile and click onto friends under their name. After that, just click on the first option called unfriend, and finally, if you're sure, confirm your decision and click onto OK. So that's it. That is how to delete friends on Facebook. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.